Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's talk about your ringer button or the silent button is not working on our iPhone 6s and 6s Plus with iOS 15. As you guys can tell, that iPhone 6s and 6s Plus are a pretty old device by now, but if you're still using it and you're experiencing that your sound button, ringer button is not working properly, and then don't worry, because in this video we're going to go ahead and show you how you easily and simply can solve this problem. Plus, if you're not being able to solve your hardware related issues with your ringer button, then we will give you some alternative ways to use your iPhone 6s and 6s Plus without even using the actual physical button, okay? Okay everybody, now the first and easy way to solve your problem, then all you have to do, you need to use a steam ejector or you need to use an alcohol or a cloth like that, and then all you can do, you can clean your ringer button or silent button all around. Sometimes if there's a lot of dust particle happen to be get stuck in there, then this issue can happen. Now go ahead and clean this up and then your problem will be solved. Even cleaning up your ringer button or the silent button on your iPhone 6 and then 6s Plus, if you see no, it's not working, then that could mean that's the problem that's related with your hardware. Now, of course, to hardware related issues, you got to go to the Apple Care, but there are still some ways that you can do as an alternative, okay? Now, if you want to use an alternative way with your iPhone 6 and 6s Plus, the first things we recommend you to do, now go ahead and open up your settings, scroll down here and tap on your accessibility, and scroll down one more time and tap on touch, and simply go ahead and tap on assistive touch, then go ahead and toggle on the assistive touch from here, and then you'll be able to see a virtual home button will appear on your device. Now if you use the alternative way of using the ringer button, then all you have to do is just tap on the virtual home button and then tap on your device and then tap on your mute or unmute option, okay? Now if your phone is already muted, then you can unmute from here, or if it's unmuted, then you can mute it from here as well. Well, you can use this alternative way of using your ringer button on your iPhone 6s and 6s Plus. Alright guys, so if you find this video useful, if so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will talk to you later.